When it comes to the year, one thing we will check that the selling year and the sales price, right? Is there any relationship? Right? Recently sold houses is more paid, or previous years we had a more means demand we can check for this. Like sales prices increasing as year increases means demand is more and more. Okay, that we can check by using that particular plot. How to do that one? I can say that. Um, I just do that HP data. Okay. First, I will group by. Okay, I will group by the year sold. Okay, I'll group by the year sold. Spelling should be same. Okay, group by that year sold on the basis of the sale price, and we'll take a median of the sale price. Okay, median of the sale price. Okay, we take a median of the sale price, which year sold is a more we can get. Then I can just plot them so that I'll get it here better visualization. Like it says that from 2006 to 7 the price was rising. Okay, then 7 onwards it was decline as you go forward. The reason here, you may be, if you know the subprime crisis, right? From 2000 to 2007, up to 2007, the demand for houses was increasing and price was going up. That is called as the subprime crisis. Means we used to give the loan to the customer, those who are not having enough income also. Okay, in 2007 that bubble is created and it started blasting. That bubble means loan who are all taken a loan, they were not able to pay their EMI. They will start selling their property to close the loans and all that started. So when demand is going down, like sales went up, like property was selling more, then your price was came down. Okay, in 2018 it was bubble was 2008, the bubble was blast. It's called as subprime crisis, Lehman Brothers crisis also we call. You can read about that. After that it was continuously drop in the price has been taken place because everyone started selling their property because mortgage loan they have taken, they wanted to repay the mortgage, so that they started selling a property at whatever the cost they were getting, the price they are getting, sorry, price they are getting, and they have been sold at the end. So this is a way to do that. For example, I would like to make this plot much more attractive. Then what I can do, if you like to increase the plot size, we say matplot we can call plot dot bigger. Okay, we have bigger. In bigger we say bigger size. Okay, bigger size. In tuples we have to give the value, means width into height. I say 15 is a width, 10 is a height. Okay, if I execute, now you can see much more bigger plot we got. Okay, then I just need this plot. Not only like this, I just want to have a title. So plot dot title, I say, and I can give the title, like I say that title is a um, we can give the title as a demand curve of house. Okay, like this I just given a title. If I execute, you can see the title of the plot has been taken. And in case you need that x-axis also to be given some name, this one a y-axis and x-axis also given name. X-axis you already have year, so you would like to change that, then we can say plot dot x label. X label we can give that as a year sold. Okay, then plot y label to be changed. Y label I give in a quotation I'm giving. Okay, um, average sale price. Okay, like this we can change. Okay, I can just say plot dot show to show the plot as a output, not as output, just to show that. Okay, see, this has been taken place. Just I just want to X label, Y label, okay, all these things we have been changed. In case I just want this graph, okay, I just need this graph. Then what I can do after this, giving all the labels, everything before showing, I just say plot dot save figure, SAVG, save figure. There I need to give the name and link. Like I say demand curve dot png, jpg, png, which format you like, you can save that, execute this code. You can check, go back to your folder, you will be taken that demand curve png, one of the file. You can see that particular plot you have been taken. Okay, you can download it from your folder just by selecting it. Okay, and you can download. Okay, you can download it in a png format, right? You can attach it to the your report or anywhere, this particular file. This is how we can save any figure, okay, any of the images, okay, anywhere. Like here also all the images will be saved. If you just say that here, I will not execute. Okay, plot dot save figure, I just want to save that figure in the name of the picture. So just I say name of the picture. Okay, in that particular name of the column, all the graphs will be saved. Okay, so I just keep that. If I execute that, all 30, like how much, 38 plot it will be taken. Okay, so this is the one way of analyzing, like by using the year sold and this one sales price for when it comes to the year feature. The one more thing we can check, like relationship between the year themselves. Okay, I just want to check the relationship between, like, year built with the soul, year built with a modification. Is there any relationship between the garage building year with the year built? I just want to check the relationship. Then what we need to do, we need to say just SNS, that is nothing but seaborn I call SNS dot. Okay, we have something called as a pair plot. Okay, pair plot. In that what we need to do, we need to give the this data set with the year only. If you give an entire data set, it will create all 81 column into 81. Okay, it will take a lot of time, don't do that. Just say year columns I need to plot. Then if I say plot dot show, quickly it will be plot. When I say plot dot show, you can see for each combination it has been taken 4 into 4, 16 graphs it will put. If you take 81 into 81, how many graphs it will be? Don't give for entire data set, just give for a 3 4 up to 5 6 uh, column name. Okay, then here you can see between the, I just want to check like year sold. Okay, with the year built there is no relationship. Year sold with the year recommended, there is no relationship. If you have a relationship, you are linear curve like this, inclined curve will there. Horizontal or vertical curve line you getting means there is no relationship between a year selling and building year or modification year. But is there any relationship? Yes, there is a relationship between a building year and garage building year. Means yes, after some time they will be building a garage after built a year, and there will be relationship between a year recommend remodified and garage build year. They may be doing when modification they are doing, that time only garage also will be built. And there is a relationship between a year built and a modification also. Year built and a modification, like year built and a modification, there is a relationship. Okay, there is a relationship between a garage built year with a modification as well as them. Means once house has been built, yes, they will be building a garage after some time, and they will be done some modification after some time, but there is no relationship between a year sold with any of the other year related to that particular house. Okay, that is what we can able to identify by using this particular thing. And we can check like year sold with year sold, how it is distributing, like is it a uniform distribution or a left skewed, right skewed. We can check that one. Okay, this is one of the plot we use to check that one. Again, this one also you can do like all these things you can add, like figure size, all these things you can add, and you can save that figure also. Okay, these are the things which comes when it comes to the year column. When it comes, we need to check relationship between those the important year with the uh, output variable, and we need to do that. And within those year itself, what kind of relationship we have, we can check that one. Okay, this is one of the things comes to the year column. So far we have covered up all the things related to the data analysis. The first three step we had na data analysis we have done. We have done with the feature engineering also, like filling up for the null values, categorizing a data, doing this segregating a data. All this comes in another data analysis and feature engineering. The feature selection will be the next topic. We will do that one in a coming sessions. The coming session is all about a feature selection. Okay, so far we have done data analysis, analyzing a data, understanding a data, and feature engineering we have done using a null values and all. Okay, this is called as a feature selection. It will be the next topic of discussion.